I'll be showing you the top apps to link your Shopify store with GMC or your Google Merchant Center. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, their pricing, and their reviews so you can decide which is the best fit for your Shopify store. The first app we'll be taking a look at is called GMCFeed. It makes it really easy to customize your product data, and more customization leads to better converting ads and more sales. So it's the agency recommended tool according to them for product data optimization. You can submit for feed channels and customize the different channels for different rules to alter different fields such as titles, custom labels, product types, and it can be used with numerous channels such as Google Shopping, Facebook Commission, Junction, Bing, and Pepperjam. From the UI, it looks quite easy to set up, and there is quite a bit of data to customize, so it looks like it displays everything nicely. In terms of pricing, it has a 7-day free trial, and there is a completely free plan with up to 50 SKUs and a one-time daily export. And you're going to get custom filters and custom rules as well. As you move up in price, it's going to depend on the number of SKUs available on your Shopify store. At $9.99 you get 3K, and at $24.99 you get 10,000 plus SKUs and $3 more for each 1,000 SKUs. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 19 5-star reviews. The latest review, they were really happy with the support they received with AdWords and Facebook. For our next app, this one's going to be Nabu for Google Shopping Feed. So you can create error-free feeds across Google Ads, Bing, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Pinterest, and Facebook. It's also going to use AI-powered optimization. You can create, edit, and manage error-free feeds. You can do bulk editing, fix multiple related feed issues, automatic error checking, block lists, as well as GTIN related errors. You're going to have 24/7 support from certified experts to help the overall process, and it is going to be custom built for Shopify Plus stores. For headless stores, there's going to be instant Shopify syncs, auto syncing with Google Merchant Center, detailed Shopify flows, and custom built for Shopify overall. So you can also get unlimited AI powered suggestions, product scores, and you can create complex feed rules. In terms of pricing, there's a free 14-day trial on the paid plans, and it's free for stores for up to 10 orders, and that's going to be $4.99 plus 6 cents per order above 10 orders per month. So I believe that moves to a $4.99 plan. You're going to get unlimited products and variants, automatic syncing, Shopify markets, bulk editing, keyword suggestions, AI optimizations. Then as you move up in price, there's going to be no usage charge for up to a certain amount of orders, and then it's going to charge some amount of cents after that. And depending on the features you're looking for as well, as multi-currency, multi-language, endless commerce support, hourly sync, and feed rules. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 400 5-star reviews. Its latest review is that as an online store owner, they've tried multiple Shopify apps to help them manage Google Ads campaigns. However, none of them has been effective as AdNabu, and it's transformed their Google Ads experience, so an extremely positive review there. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. That's where Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's our sponsor of today's video, and all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, and you can really see how profitable your store actually is. It's going to give you a ton of different analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions, and it's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, as well as many cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the listing directly. From there, you can get access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. Let's take a look at our third app here. This one's Google Shopping Feed by Casa. You can create Bing, Pinterest feed, as well as Google Shopping feeds for different currencies and languaging using markets. You can also do Facebook data feeds as well, and you can watch grow ads on Google and YouTube via Easy Feed for Google Shopping XML feed. It's Shopify Markets compatible, and it makes it really easy to submit these, as well as to generate different feeds for different languages. And again, it's going to work with the Google channel, Facebook, Pinterest, Bing, Bol.com, and 50 more sites. The great part about this is that it is completely free, and overall it has a perfect 5-star rating with 327 5-star reviews. If we go to the latest positive review here, we can see in with a couple of minutes of installing the app, they were messaged by one of their employees who provided a lot of useful information about configuring the app. They thought it was a chatbot, however, typing in a question, they were surprised to see a response from a human who made it really easy to help set up their feed for Google Merchant Center. For our last app here, let's take a look at Synchronize Google Shopping Feed. So you can submit feeds for Google Shopping, Microsoft, and Facebook and manage smart shopping and performance max campaigns. So it's going to support Google Shopping, buy on Google, free listings on Google, Facebook Shop, checkout on Facebook, and many more. It allows for a seamless integration for Google's delivery speed estimates and automated discounts. So overall, it's got a pretty robust UI, making it super easy to find and filter different products, customize the feeds, and automate different assignments of values. In terms of pricing, there's a 21-day free trial on the paid plans, and it's going to be based on the number of products. So for up to 500 products, it's $4.99 a month, and from 5,000 to 10,000 products, it's $17.99 a month. And all the features look to be the same based on all the plans. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 5.1 thousand 5-star reviews. The latest review is that someone recently started using it and they've been extremely impressed with the results so far. It made it super easy to quickly create and update their product feed, which has significantly improved the visibility of the products on Google Shopping. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top link with GMC or Google Merchant Center apps for your Shopify store. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. I've been coming out with new videos on Shopify tutorials all the time, so you don't want to miss out. Before I go, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left.